In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to file your taxes if you're self-employed in TurboTax. If you work for yourself, whether that means freelancing, consulting, driving, selling services, or running a small business, TurboTax has a section specifically designed to help you enter your self-employment income and expenses. In this walkthrough, we're focusing on how to get to that section so you can start reporting everything properly and continue building out your return. To begin, log into TurboTax and make sure you're on your main tax dashboard. Once you're there, look toward the top navigation area and hover over the Income tab. This is where TurboTax groups the different types of money you may have earned during the year. Hovering over Income will open the menu options you need, and this is the starting point for reaching the Self-Employment section. Next, from the available options, click on Wages and Income Summary. This page acts like a central hub for all of the income categories in your return. You may see sections for jobs, investments, retirement income, and other tax-related entries. If you're self-employed, this is an important page because it helps you locate the business income area instead of entering things in the wrong section. Take a moment to scan the page so you understand how TurboTax organizes the categories. Once you're on the Wages and Income Summary page, find the section labeled Self-Employment Income and Expenses. When you see it, click Start. This is the option that opens the workflow for entering the income you earned from your own business or independent work, along with any related expenses you may be able to deduct. Starting here is essential because TurboTax used this section to guide you through the business side of your return in a structured way. As you move forward after clicking the Start, be prepared to enter accurate details about your work and your earnings. It's a good idea to have your records nearby before continuing, such as payment summaries, expense totals, and any documents that help confirm your business activity. Even though this video is focused on getting into the correct section, setting yourself up with organized records will make the rest of the filing process smoother and help reduce mistakes. That's it for this part of the process. By hovering over Income, clicking Wages and Income Summary, and then selecting Start under Self-Employment Income and Expenses, you'll be in the right place to begin filing your self-employed taxes in TurboTax.